Okay, so this is your how to find the ATLAS comets, the C2019 Y1 and C2019 Y4 for April 28th at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. And remember that this is set for universal time, which is why the number up there is different. Okay, once again, here's the western sky, here's the northern sky, and there's Venus. Big, bold, bright, beautiful Venus. And the two comets are relatively close to each other as far as the brightness. They're both about within 1 magnitude of each other. So they're still binocular or projected to be binocular or telescope comets at this point, but they are definitely getting brighter. And as far as your reference goes, here is Ursa Minor Polaris. So there's your star that we're watching for. And Y1 at 8 o'clock is about a thumb's distance away from Polaris. Atlas is about a fist away. And remember, when we give those references, it's holding your arm out at length and using your hand to calculate that ish measurement. But there's Venus, there's Atlas Y4, and there's Atlas Y1, and there is Polaris. We're no longer using Ursa Major, the Big Dipper, or the Big Bear as our reference point because it's so far away at this point. It's closer to Ursa Minor. All right, so 8 p.m. is good, 9 p.m. is better. So Venus is now shifted, and here's that little sliver of the moon. There's Polaris. And your Y1, we're still about a thumb away. And our Y4, we're still about a fist away. And just to give you a new reference point in the sky, this is the belt of Orion right there. And there's the two shoulders, and there's his bow. So Orion, Venus, and then the two comets that we're looking for. And here is Cassiopeia's crown. So there's a new reference point to look for. So 8 p.m. is okay, 9 is better, 10 p.m. is best. So once again, here's your western sky, and Orion's right here. There's Venus. There's the moon. There's Cassiopeia's crown. There's Polaris. And there's our comet. They really haven't shifted much because they're not shifting so much as we are wheeling around. So we're still about a thumb away for Comet Y1 and still about a fist away from Comet Y4. But you really want to use Polaris as your guide point. And remember those two minor stars of Ursa Major that I pointed out at the very beginning of this video series? Those two minor stars that we would use as our finding point. So there is our sky map. It's for April 28th. It looks like the weather report's going to be spotty at best. Go out and check if you have any clear viewing. Those comets are just going to keep getting brighter and brighter as they get closer and closer to their closest paths, which their closest path to Earth will be in July, and so they're going to be pretty bright. Their closest path to the sun is about mid to late May. So they're going to be nice viewing for the next couple of weeks to months. So as always, I've generated these sky maps with theskylive.com and go in and play with this website. You can pick any celestial object, pick any date you want, any time period, and it will show you where it is in the night sky. Happy viewing!